You don't know how to bring an Anthurium back from the dead and turn it into a healthy, beautiful plant to brighten your home? Then make sure to watch this entire video. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to revive and care for an Anthurium, helping it grow strong, fresh, and stunning in your living space. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this garden grow. My Anthurium was dry and damaged. I used coriander powder, added a few cloves of garlic, and poured about 90 degrees Celsius hot water over them to extract their beneficial properties. This mixture helps disinfect, prevent fungus, and stimulate faster recovery for the plant. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. I removed all the debris around the Anthurium and used scissors to trim off the damaged leaves and roots. Clearing away dead parts helps the plant stay clean, improves airflow, and allows it to focus nutrients on healthy growth, speeding up recovery. After trimming all the damaged leaves and roots, I will rinse the remaining roots and base of the plant to remove any dirt or fungus, keeping the plant clean and helping it recover more easily. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. After rinsing the plant, I use scissors to trim the remaining damaged leaves and roots once more, ensuring all unhealthy parts were removed. This helps keep the plant clean, improves airflow, and supports better recovery. After 2 hours, the coriander powder and garlic water has fully infused and cooled down, so I will strain out the liquid for use. Now, I'm using a 2-liter container, cutting it in half, and using the bottom part to plant the Anthurium. This method helps reuse old materials, save money, and still creates a very practical plant pot. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. I added decorative stones into the container, placed the plant inside, and filled the rest with more stones to secure it. Then, I poured in the garlic coriander water that I had strained earlier. This method helps retain moisture, prevent fungus, naturally disinfect, and supports the Anthurium's quick recovery and healthy growth. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. Amazing! After 30 days of recovery, my Anthurium has grown back beautifully, and now I have another healthy, gorgeous Anthurium right at home. It's thriving and full of life, definitely worth trying, don't you think? If you enjoyed this video, try this method yourself. I believe you'll be amazed by your own care techniques and will grow beautiful Anthurium plants just like this. Thank you for watching till the end. Your light keeps this little garden alive.